What's the chef Arthur?
It's Chef Arthur, never miss, always on point.
Always on point.
Obviously, let us keep Tobago and chicken and if HarvestGawds in my shop, that is it.
We have 10 more places. Bear in mind, this is the same place. We was upstairs first,
And we now come downstairs.
come downstairs.
Have to wake up and exercise anymore.
To burn out some of the calories.
No starch, nothing in. Straight meat.
Straight meat. Big and serious. Well, I'm trying to break my glass out,
You just say what and we organize it.
I
If
could
we don't have it here, we're going to fridge and take it off.
That is what you call performance. You can feel free to sit if you like, you know, or you want to stand on it.
Nah, let me sit down. I don't want nobody back talk me.
We eating upstairs and downstairs. And if you're not in between, we just stop there. Number 2.
Watch me when we say outside. This is what we really mean by outside, you know. We see the time we rolling. 2:41. And then this what you call outside. Outside!
Fully endorsed, Teflon clothing.
Yes, man. Check me out, man. Teflon clothing, TT on Instagram.
I gotta tell you, from time to time, we have some celebs on board with us. You understand me? And we starting it from today. I know plenty of you gonna know him, especially within recent times, you know, he's been in the news. He have cooked for the likes of Ludacris, Neo, Fantasia, even Voice and his entire team, you know. He was recently featured in the Black Entrepreneur magazine, but most recent of all, the African giant, Burna Boy. Folks, I welcome you to none other than Big Chef, Celebrity Chef, Chef Arthur. Welcome, everybody.
Nice to be here.
Just a little bit today, I mean, I know you have a bumper season, especially now coming out of the Christmas season.
Of course, very busy.
And as you were just telling me, it still ain't finished as yet.
Nah, far from finished.
So, for starters, I want to tell you, thanks for finding that little time. I know it was really hard, but I really appreciate the fact that you find that little time to squeeze you in, you know, and actually, you know, put on that chef jacket, put on that chef hat, and come out on the ground and truly enjoy this part of the Tobago culture.
Nah, no problem.
Between me and you,
Forward it.
when last I get a chance to go harvest, man?
I ain't gonna harvest in years. Not even my village harvest.
See,
I'm telling you, I will always busy.
for harvest, you know, it's all different variations of meat, all different wild meat. What is one meat that you don't look forward to eating when you go harvest, right? Don't tell me chicken or pork, no?
How to be agouti?
Agouti.
Love agouti.
I love agouti.
And tattoo.
And tattoo.
Yeah.
Trust me, you see today, wild meat, as we say in Tobago, wild meat, give away yourself today. You understand? So trust me, you're in for a treat.
Yeah, man.
HarvestGawds be outside, Pembroke, with no meat. So, we marry boy Fletcher, we go and see one way on the menu. Come now. Big Fletcher! You see me better? Listen, the boss is not reaching.
Yeah, I'll say that. Yeah, man.
Listen.
All the best.
All the best in here too, man. One way on the menu today, right?
Now I'll kill it.
Well, I know that. I know you're a man that do it.
Anything you want to ask, I will just order it. And chicken or pork or rabbit or guana or deer or lamb. That one of things too, but I just can't remember everything. Exactly.
You can't.
The boys are them downstairs. Upstairs is for the visitors. And they can see. But the boys are them out downstairs and we'll just have a good time. Everything.
And the thing about it is, what's me, VIP band we are. So we going anywhere.
Upstairs and downstairs.
But let me ask you, boss, you know, what is your intention? Where are we going? You go upstairs, you go downstairs, where are we doing?
Touching everywhere, we eating everything.
That's what it is about. Where are we eat first, boy? Downstairs?
If I drink too, anything I'll drink. Just see what I want.
But where are we eat first? Upstairs or downstairs?
And we done up here.
We done up here?
Yes,
Well,
let me
we
start
eating it here one time. You ready for that kind of speed? By 11 houses we had to touch today.
I eat for the day, you know. So now my belly empty.
And you're eating everywhere you go. You come here for that kind of speed, man?
Real speed. I love speed. Real speed.
With that kind of menu, the man now call out. One way you choose there, boy. I hear the man call out about 9 different meats, you know.
I take pork, chicken, duck, rabbit, guana, fish, full jumpsuit.
Everything. How will you take Chava, boy?
Pato, wilts.
Braga! Huh. Yo! I'm not going no small fret. Let me extend my apologies on a big fret with big flag going overhead like canopy.
Papa thing.
Look at what is plate of food now, man. Well, I telling you, after we leave this house here, you can't eat nowhere else.
You go see about that.
And we have 10 other places to eat other than here.
I'm going to show you something too.
Alright, I'm looking forward to it. And after that one, we have to go downstairs out in the back. Eh? We must go and hang with the boys a little bit.
Of course.
The second celebrity we are carded for this afternoon, she knows it. And I feel honored, excited, a little nervous, a little jittery, but it's all good to introduce to you guys celebrity number 2, the Honorable. Yes, I feel never handle that actually. TV6 journalist, Tobago #1 reporter, Liz Williams. Welcome.
What's up?
Happy New Year, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you and of course your wonderful team.
Yes, my wonderful team.
And the fans.
Welcome. I mean, I know you're always busy. Like literally, you're always out there doing what you do. When is the last time you actually have the time to come to a harvest?
Ooh, a long while. Because I'm so busy doing work, bringing the news to the people. Whether it is locally, regionally, or internationally. So it has been a while. And I'm only here because of you.
And that I must say thanks to that. That I must say thanks to that.
When you invited me, I said, you know what, let me make the extra effort and be here for you.
And I genuinely
fans.
appreciate that. And I know you folks appreciate that also. You know, and since this is the first time since so long, I mean, you know what the harvest experience is about. What are you looking forward to the most about today's proceeding?
Tasting.
Tasting.
Of course, yes. We want to see what everything tastes like, and I love wild meat. Everything.
With that being said, Chef Arthur come in. Just give you a little rundown about the menus like in there. Just a little rundown about it.
Yeah, duck, guana,
Nice.
tattoo,
I love tattoo. I love tattoo. Man.
chicken, pork, beer, lap.
Wow.
What we have? Kongs,
Oh, another conch, but another conch fan.
rabbit,
Yes, I love rabbit.
and lots more.
Wow. Okay.
And one thing I could assure you of, I mean, you'll be your own judge, eh? But I saw Chef would say the same thing. Everything tastes real good, you know? But let me carry in one time and let she be the judge for herself. Let we go. We are the honorable, the lovely Liz Williams in us. You know, and one thing we forget to tell Shiata,
What's that?
you have both upstairs
And
downstairs.
Wow.
Back.
Upstairs and downstairs.
I find you're holding back on her. You're holding back. You have to let you know it's both upstairs and downstairs. Because we went both places.
Both places.
So we should have given the option where you want to go first.
We going-
Upstairs?
No, I
Or
mean-
have we done here already? We
We
take
done
it
here already,
upstairs.
yeah.
And then we go downstairs after. Right. So just this year run through where you have upstairs and then we go downstairs out in the back.
Try everything. Anything you want, just say what you want. I'm in that system. Okay, no, just need it. You just say what you want and we get our system.
I
If
could
we don't have it here, we'll go in the fridge and take it out.
That is what you call performance. That is, and that's what our office is about.
Outside too, you know.
And one of the chefs.
He's one of the chefs here.
That's my mom.
That's your mom.
Mom. Hi.
Thanks for welcoming us in your home.
Just say, and you have drinks. Anything you want.
Anything I want.
Yeah, that's the one I want.
Nice.
So, for me, your opinion, what kind of person do you think Liz Williams is? If you are to order for her, will you go on that plate, chef? And we ain't talking about your fine dining stuff. It's harvest food we're talking about. What are you putting on the plate for?
I'm putting everything on the plate.
Everything?
Everything.
The man just order for her. Everything. The man just order for her. And she look like a dumpling, a dumpling provision kind of, or bus up shot.
Like bus up shot.
Maybe the bus up shot.
Like everything but and bus up shot.
She conservative, so she gave us a shot.
No problem. That's not a problem.
Even before you give her it there, tell me one, and I want to see if you're comfortable with his choice for you. Why will you bring that plate?
Taguana, duck, pork, rabbit, bus up shot.
I'm pleased.
You're pleased?
Yeah.
All right.
What's the chef at?
It's Chef Arthur, never miss, always on point.
Always on point.
Even with the harvest food.
Okay, so I could start.
Yes, of course. You can feel free to sit if you like, or you want to stand on it.
Nah, let me sit down. I don't want nobody about talking. So I could use my hand, use fork.
Of course. Well, it's up to you, but I know we chimney going and we don't really eat bus of shot with fork.
Alright. Let's see how it goes. You have me behind the camera, boy. Oh my god. Soft and nice. Very tasty.
Well
seasoned.
And you hear the chef? Well seasoned.
Well seasoned. Sorry for using my hand, but I not them.
No. That added flavor.
Nice flavor.
That's added flavor.
All that's in it. All that's in it.
Tasting good. Guana, as I told you, I love wild meat.
So you're in your glee.
Tasty so far. Everything tasty and nice. Well flavored and stuff.
So we're waiting on it to finish, and then we're going downstairs for round 2. And that's just by this house here alone. Eh? We have 10 more houses to touch. 10 more 10 more houses. And tell me, chef, we're touching all. And you're eating
everything.
And you're eating by all.
We eating by all.
All the houses, we are missing one.
And you're eating by all.
Rag in my back pocket with a white vest, sneakers and wallabies. Knife tips and tight pants, I never really rate none of these. I come from brass festival and from customs and from flour mills. Was a fed fire fit and licensing fit and them had a power pill. Everybody gone nice and groovy bunchy, all you pushing power still. If it's me, you don't leave me with power on a hill. I ain't come here for no stand up. I come to party with my hand up.